Hey, what's going on, everybody? Me and my cousin wanted to come and check out what's behind my backyard. So I'm gonna climb this fence here. My cousin's down here. I just wanted to get this on film. So, he found a trail, I think. So, we're gonna check it out. Ow, thorns. They had like this construction sort of thing going on down here. I don't know if you can see my cousin down there sitting on an old trash can. But he's found a little something. So Lord have mercy. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that drop? Oh. What is that?
I don't know. Are you filming the whole thing?
Oh yeah.
There may be a creek down here.
That is a tire. Alright, let's go check this thing out. Down goes the tire. Oh, it hit a tree.
Yeah, there. I think there's a creek. May not be flowing.
Yeah, it's so dry and hot. Marshall.
What?
He just drove over the tree.
You could technically, yeah, there's a creek.
There's a little creek. How about that?
Holy crap, that'd be bad for a 4-wheeler.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah, wow.
Did that go in there? Is that a creek?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't know if I know.
Alright. Hold it, Marshall, I gotta take a little leak. Yeah.
Please. I love that.
Okay, so
I love this movie.
he loves pushing over trees when he can find some good rotten ones that'll fall over when he pushes them. Creek?
No?
No, not really.
Fish fish. I think it's gonna like.
Alright. Man.
All the go-karts at your house one day.
Yeah.
And come here to oh.
Oh my goodness. Oh, is that mud down there? Or a creek or something?
Yeah. Remember you looked on, I don't know if you looked at it on your watch.
I think it just goes down into this little valley. Go check it out. Does it go anywhere else other than down here? No? Okay. Yeah. Oh, big creek. Right here.
Riding.
Yeah. That'd be fun to start right here. Alright.
I think the trail's up there, but...
Yeah. We ought to walk in the creek bed here. Man, I wonder what 2015 looked like down here if the bed looks like this. I wonder how.
Yeah, because I think it's dry the bone, and then 2015 was huge.
Yeah. And that creek bed's massive. So.
And it looks like it comes over here sometimes.
Okay. I'm just gonna say none of this is familiar to me. I'm just gonna say that. The trail goes up through the creek, right? Or no? Or wrong? Oh no, probably not. Wait.
Well, let's go back just to make sure.
Okay.
Where we saw the road. I don't really want to get lost.
Yeah. Marshall.
I mean, we just have to follow the creek side.
Yep.
Yeah, this is the trail.
Okay. Oh. Oh.
I can kind of see where I can't see this.
Bro. Sweating like a hog. Oh. Oh.
You better watch out.
Oh. Oh, he's about to snap this tree. And it's about to fall on me.
No. This creek ain't that big.
Okay.
It looks like, I don't know, it kind of looks like the trail's on both sides.
Very, very overgrown down here. No, none of this is coming back to memory here. Cause we rode our bikes on this trail, and I don't think we're riding our bikes on this. Definitely not this. Oh Lord, have mercy.
It looks more off the trail right here. Over there was like big trees in the trail.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the trail.
Golf ball.
What?
Golf ball. Why is there just a... Oh, that's probably my golf ball. I used to golf in my backyard and I'd hit them over that fence, and this probably just washed down here. I mean, I'd spend days searching for them. Could never find them. You want to follow the creek bed? Just follow it down? Because we just have to follow it back up if we want to go back. We ain't going to be
hopefully we'll find the four-way road. Would you remember where to go from the four-way road?
I feel like we turned left somewhere. Landslide. Good grief. Dude, it's such a big jump. Oh my gosh. I want to roll my ankle in the landing. Oh, I made it. I'm alive.
I wonder why it stopped flowing.
I don't know. It's so hot and dry. And...
It wasn't flowing up there. But...
Oh, I think it went underground.
Yeah.
Because it
It's
just...
getting wet down here.
Because eventually it just stopped. Yeah. Wet sand and stuff.
I think it's going to start back up here. This looks like sometimes this could be pretty big.
Oh.
Oh!
What?
Grab this sticky bush.
Oh.
Thought it was this thing.
Ow, ow, ow.
Yeah, see, it's getting bigger because see all these little things?
Yeah. Wait up, man! Will this snap? Will this hold my weight? Oh my gosh, that's so sketch. Okay, we're just gonna do it. Okay.
Oh, look how wet it is.
So wet. Over fallen tree. Oh.
Basketball.
Really?
Or soccer ball. Yeah, soccer ball.
Huh.
That may be okay. We may still be going the right way.
Yay.
I think I may go under this.
You're gonna have to get like on your stomach and go. What?
Water bottle.
Oh, I'm just gonna go under that tree. Oh, I'll fit under it. Let's go.
Yeah, this will probably be a long video.
Yeah.
Rock Creek there.
Yep. All right. Watch for cottonmouths down here for sure.
I'm gonna check the map to see if there's a place to go road. You know how far y'all bike?
I can't remember. All I know is that we biked pretty far. And if my mom had how like woody that trail was and stuff, she would not have let me go. Oh gosh, she did not trust Parker one bit. Are we getting farther?
I mean, we're just following the creek bed.
Oh, I almost just died on that rock.
The creek bed never crosses the road.
Mm.
Let me see if this is... Oh. Oh. These kind of look like this is trail. It kind of looks like it goes up here.
Oil can. Oh yeah. Yeah. Dude, I need an inhaler. Oh my gosh.
Oh wow, this little one. 5-gallon bucket.
Oh. Really?
It looks like it. It's up there.
Gosh, I'm not touched.
Some spots are pretty noticeable and the others you can't see at all.
You good? he almost just died.
We're getting close to being out of the woods. I don't know where.
I definitely know that we got out of the woods somewhere. Stop grabbing tree limbs and...
We're on a hole for it.
Oh.
Whole bunch of rounds over here.
Dude, I think every step I'm taking is poison oak and poison ivy.
I think you're immune to it.
Oh yeah, no. I've been through so much poison oak and ivy, it just does not
Oh wow, this is a good tree. Hey, you want
affect
that
me.
crawdad?
Yeah, I want to catch crawdads. You see any?
I saw something splash in the water. That was just a frog. We should go around the creek there. But that's the trail.
We should go down to the what?
Creek bed.
Oh,
I just want to explore the creek bed. So.
yeah.
Where'd all the other trails go to?
This is so cool, y'all. Look at this. Oh, I'm about to die. Look at this pretty little waterfall. Going all the way down. Awesome, awesome.
Where'd all the other trails go to?
I have no idea.
I guess we can see if there's anything up here. I feel like it.
What, Marshall?
I feel like going up there.
Dude, you
That tree's a little bit rotten.
worm. I'm gonna go fishing with him. Just a little bit rotten. Holy crap, where are we?
This one might be too big now. Because of all those, we saw what, 2 that were swollen?
Yeah.
And then they came back up from being on the ground?
Yep. Or did we see 3 that was flowing?
Maybe.
Dude, that was such a wall. It was about to. It was gonna snap any second. Ow.
Hand sanitizer. Sour grape. 4 Loco pre-game, a hot beverage. 4 Loco shot.
What in the
What
world?
are we finding though?
I have no idea, bro.
Why? Is this valley so steep?
I don't know. This is like the steep. Oh my gosh. Should we even go down this?
I mean, if you follow that way, it looks like it's clear. It's just steep.
Oh no. Oh Lord. Joe. Oh my gosh. No. I fell.
But on the map, it gets bigger and bigger. And it's not even a blue line on the map yet. But in a little bit, a blue line flows into it. And then it becomes the actual main street. There's footsteps in here.
Okay. I'm about to like fall in.
There's footsteps.
You gotta be goshing my tots. You didn't make that?
No. I swear, bro. Look, it goes this way. There's one there.
What the heck?
There's one
Guys,
there.
do y'all see that massive fish?
Okay, let's keep following the creek.
Where this mysterious figure has gone?
Homeless man.
Where he lives?
Why is that tree so skinny at the bottom? The rotten tree. Man, the rocks are so... Oh, there's water here. Kinda.
Oh,
I'll take that to that thing over. What's it think?
I bet you $5 you can't. Oh, well. What?
See if your watch tells us where we are.
Is your watch does not tell us where we are? Okay.
It just kind of, you know, it does the big circle thing and says you're somewhere in the circle. I'm like, come on, you're somewhere out of the middle.
Okay, so we're down there. We're really close to a road. Is that a road up there? I think there's a road above us.
Do you see the creek bed?
Yeah, there's definitely a little turnaround spot right there. Okay, wait. It says that this is a road. Wait. It says that... I guess there's just a road up there.
Yeah, but, where is it? Somewhere. Right there, a blue line flows into it. See, and we're right there. We're halfway to the creek / river that flows into it.
So just keep going.
Yeah. Look, water. I wish this creek would just start flowing.
Yeah. There's sweat going down my throat, my neck, my face, my head. Sweat and my hair. It's everywhere.
I just hope the creek doesn't start flowing behind us. There it is. Oh, there's the creek.
There's the creek. Big old rock here. Jump. Oh, slick rock.
Yeah, dude.
Oh,
Look at this one that flows down the hill. I could just like splash this in my face.
yeah.
Not drink it.
Dude, look how clear it is, though. That's such clear water. Obviously, don't drink it, but...
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah. Hang on. Since it's flowing now, we can do that whenever we want.
Oh,
We probably could have worn our swimsuit.
yeah.
We're probably going to go swimming.
Yep. That would be.
Down. Oh, wow. Cool. It starts going downhill a lot here. That's
Oh.
when creeks usually start flowing. That rock's kind of clear.
Yeah, it's wet and green. It's wet and green.
Want some wire?
I do not.
Full wire? You want a pole?
I do not. Pole. Oh.
And,
Does that have fishing line? Is that like a little?
oh god. Oh no, it's white wood. Maybe not wood. That didn't sound like wood.
It did not sound like wood. No.
Why not wood? That could be
Sounded like if you harden, or maybe like easy to break, but it's like hard, and then you made it hollow. Like that's what it sounded like. I fell. Fall. What? that did not hurt, at least. All right. Oh well.
What if I get your mom's shoes wet?
She won't care. She does not use those at all. Like at all. At all, at all. This is a slick rock. I'm gonna jump anyway. That was such a bad idea. That's a deep little spot there.
Yeah, but this creek's getting bigger. You see? Yeah, my watch does not stay where we are that good.
Really?
It does a big circle around Albertville.
Are we in Albertville?
Albertville and Gunnersville.
Yeah.
You're
Dude.
somewhere in the circle.
How far have we traveled? Oh crap, I'm in a bad spot. Very, very bad spot. What if I step here? Come.
Stop on this flat rock and see how close we are to the... If this isn't a creek on the map, that one that flows into it has to be big.
That's a deep little spot there. Bro, holy crap, that's a slick rock. I wasn't even touching. Oh my goodness. I don't feel like getting my socks wet though.
Let's
Oh. Alright.
Somewhere in here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. It's still moving. Hey, that's where we are.
Alrighty. Just keep going.
Don't.
Dude, now that you've done that, that looks like it was nice and cool. It looks like it was nice and cool, so I want to do that too now.
It's cold. It's cold.
Oh.
So cold.
Oh, that's nice.
You want
I don't even know what you're about to say. I'm already going to say no.
XPS? Okay.
Hold up, let me empty out my boot. Yep. Indeed you are. Yeah, me too. Oh, that video of Judd getting pinched.
Pretty slick down there.
Man, my feet are so nice and cool, but they were, but now they're already warming up again.
Waterfall.
Waterfall?
Yeah. Kind of little. You can hear it now.
I swear, if my mom watches this video, we're cooked. We're cooked.
Yeah, see, okay, so this might be one of these.
Oh, that was close.
Yeah.
The oh,
Maybe that might be one. So I may have to change back to my skin trunks, because they may be drier than my pants. Time to get back.
dude, that water feels so good. Hold on, Marshall, wait just a second. I'm gonna empty out my boots. I don't want to haul around these heavy little things in this hot summer June weather in Alabama here. North Alabama. Bum, ba, da, ba, da, bum. Under a heat advisory. Like 98.
Hey, there's a block of wood. It's gonna cut.
There's a block of. Really?
One? No, it's just more that XPS styrofoam. You want?
No. Backflip.
Yeah, see how loud it is down there?
Yeah. Oh,
I know we're getting close to where that creek plays into it.
that was close. That.
We're going in.
You're going in. Oh.
I've been to my knees. The creek's fine.
Oh.
You hear that?
No, I did jump in on purpose.
Oh. Now your pants are wet.
Oh, my pants have been wet. Oh, oh. What? Gatorade? Oh, I want a Gatorade.
Oh, we're getting really close to where it is. Dude.
Hold on, my mom just texted me.
No way.
You've gone far enough. Y'all need to come back. Hold on.
Say okay. We'll come back. It'll take us a minute. Because I mean, my watch tells me wrong there. It won't make a difference then.
Okay. Can we explore a bit more for just a minute? We know our way back.
Say we're just following a creek bed.
We're just following a creek bed. My mom, I'm surprised. She's probably freaking out right now.
It didn't sound that.
Yeah, it didn't sound too bad, but
I found a miniature brick. Yeah, we're really close to the big creek.
yep. Man, this creek's pretty big.
Yeah, it's gotten big. I haven't gone in the ground in a while.
Yeah.
It's so close.
Did she text me? I guess, but don't go any further. Okay.
She said we could explore more, but don't go any further.
That doesn't even make any sense, but
We're gonna explore more. That's what she
she probably meant don't go any further than the creek bed.
probably.
That's what she probably meant. And we weren't going to anyway.
Yeah, we tried following that trail, and then we're like, no. Here, let's see
Yeah.
how close we are now.
Okay, let's see.
My watch says we're really close. Here, watch. It'll move after a second.
Yeah,
It'll update.
or will it? I think
Mine said we were past that road.
Really?
Yeah, just barely. I guess now mine's updating. Yours isn't.
Or maybe yours is just goofing up still. Nobody knows.
Yeah, it says we're right at that road. See?
Oh yeah. Well, that's the same spot that it. Oh, I guess yours is a bit closer to the road.
Yeah. But either way, we're close. Oh my gosh.
I'm glad that my daddy let us do this.
Hey, there's ferns growing on a tree.
There's what growing on a tree?
Ferns?
Ferns, really?
Yeah.
I remember when Judd and you used to be so obsessed with like ferns and stuff.
Yeah, I haven't even noticed, but look, this is a fern forest. Hey, this is the creek, look.
Oh yeah.
Both of them have it updated.
Hold on, Marshall. I need to get through here before you go any further. Oh, I thought you were.
Oh yeah, the creek is big now.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, my shorts are wet.
Now I'm going to see if mine updated, because this might not be it. Oh, that was cool. Yeah. This is a bunch of water.
It's hot. I mean, it's loud.
Yeah, mine's not up.
Look at this massive little waterfall.
Massive.
See that, you guys? The waterfall there.
Oh, this might be a waterfall.
Oh, that was deeper than I thought. I couldn't see the bottom of it.
Or 45 or 5. So it's been 45 minutes. It takes 45 to get back. We can walk for 15 more minutes.
Okay.
Waterfall? Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
No, the creek was.
Oh, that's a nice little waterfall. Ah! You see that? Nice.
Oh. Let's see if yours is updated.
Oh, yep.
They both say we're not there yet.
Yeah.
This one that just joined it wasn't any bigger than it, so I don't know why it'd be named. You know?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I'm not.
Oh, Lord, have mercy. What?
I'm not even sweating. Oh my god. There's little pockets.
Oh.
I'll way back up instead of hiking up this, we can hike up that little creek bed.
Yeah.
There won't be so much rock. It looks like it's still started. Another waterfall. Wow. Wow.
Steep little drop here. I don't know if you guys see this little drop. I'm sitting on rocks also right now. Okay, we made it. We made it. Yeah.
Yeah, see, there's the other creek bed.
Oh, yeah.
This one.
Oh, come on. I need something deeper. I need something up to my knees.
Okay, mine's just
Updated.
a little bit. It updated. It still says we're not at the big one. So maybe that wasn't the big one.
I don't think it was.
Hey Jake, you were looking for something up to your knees?
Oh, perfect.
But it may end up being more to your knees.
That's to my knees. This is gonna be deep. Oh yeah. Look at that, baby. Holy, it's up.
Oh my god!
Oh,
That feels good
that
though.
that feels so good. Oh. Man, we
It
just
goes all the way into the Tennessee River.
really.
Yeah, the blue line shows it flowing all the way to the river.
Oh.
And it gets pretty big, just like 3 other ones join it. I don't think we're hiking to the river, Jay, are we?
No.
That's like 5 miles.
Yeah,
We're winding around.
it's crazy how we just completely just forgot about the 4-way stop and just started following the creek, looking for the big creek.
Yeah. or right?
Left or right? Left.
See if your watch is updated at all. Mine just kind of moves around something. Still says we're like pretty much right at that road.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not updating. So that could have been the big one, but I don't think so.
I don't think it is.
I can make it all day.
I don't know.
And this thing's getting bigger. There should really be some sawdust in here.
Oh.
What's this? This is like a part of a car, man.
Really?
Yeah. Like a stick shift.
What the heck?
It's kind of wedged in there, but yeah, the bearing's still good.
How about that? I mean, it's, I don't know how, I mean, it's pretty rusted and stuff.
Come on, let's keep an update. I know you can. Yeah, no, it can't.
Oh, how deep is that? Oh yeah, oh nice. What?
I ain't pushed over the tree yet.
Uh-oh. Oh. Crack. Oh.
Yes.
Yeah! Yeah! Boom! Yeah!
Oh, I fulfilled my mission for today.
Fulfilled his mission.
This is all gonna hold me.
Hold you, then it should hold me, right?
Yeah. Okay, tree. How? Okay.
Did the top have to? Okay. How deep is that little hole right there?
The whole top fell off.
Oh, it ain't that deep.